Co dziś robisz?
Trenuję.
A song with no meanings, a shell with no soul. Like hell froze over from melting the microphone. I alone extend a hand, not jaded or fake. Saving grace in the ego-driven stadium race. Raise the stakes, play hard, face card and ace of spades. Day labs made their mark, so sleepers need to stay awake. I aim to say just what's on my mind with earnestness. Mailing out the CD, best believe you need to burn a disc. With permanence, I stand strong through the turbulence. My words are fist to fight for truth, we all relate to certain shit. So while you chase your tails in search of what the purpose is, I'm picking out a pen that I can draw a perfect circle with. Service with a smile, it's a rap like a tourniquet. Learn to give it back, but that ain't like these current kids. Introvertedness, journalist of the human soul. So I'll just turn the stick and set the ride with us for cruise control. Just follow these journeymen, just follow these journeymen. Just follow these journeymen, yup, come on and learn with them. Just follow these journeymen, just follow these journeymen. Blindfolded by the hate. Time's tolls a heavy weight. Escapism, trying to make living. Work the time, fate driven by the same vision. First design, ain't quitting or playing victim. That's hurting blind, stay on mission. Listen, you'll search and find. I need to find peace of mind, so I'm reaching high. With each desire, getting tired of shit I keep inside. Proceed to fire at these deceiving lies. Your evil eyes are violent, I can see right through your sheets of tie. We inspire, so take notes. Don't wait for these space ghosts looking for a payroll.